Spotify 3rd edition of Wrapped 2021 is now available for users across world including in India. So in this video, I will show you how to see Spotify Wrapped 2021. So let's get started. First, open Spotify mobile app. You should able to see your 2021 Wrapped banner on the home screen. Tap on it to access your Wrapped playlist. If you don't see the same, then tap on search bar at the bottom and type Wrapped in the search bar and you should be able to view the banner. Tap on it and you will then be redirected to the Spotify Wrapped story. Here you will be able to view your customized statistics. At the end, you will find cards with the different designs showing your top songs, top artists, minutes listened, and top genre. With Spotify Wrapped feature, you can view important statistics related to your music listening journey over this past year. You will also be able to view your most streamed songs, most loved artists, favorite albums, podcasts, and many more. So that was all about how to see Spotify Wrapped 2021. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.